Most homes look beautiful, but they don't always feel that way. And the truth is, what makes a home feel warm, loved, and lived in is not expensive furniture or big renovations. It's the little things, the quiet details you might not even notice, but your body feels instantly. Let's start with the entryway, the most underrated space in your home. Because here's the thing, you feel a home before you understand it. The moment you walk through the door, your body already knows what kind of space this is. So instead of leaving it empty, add something living. A single stem, a little greenery. Now, the living room, and this might surprise you. You don't need new furniture to make it feel beautiful. You just need layers, because cozy is not about matching, it's about mixings. Different textures, soft imperfections, pieces that feel collected over time. Start small, a candle, a few books, a simple vase, and then add something alive. The dining room is where things become magical, and the biggest difference is the simplest one. Real flowers, not style, not perfect, just whatever is growing around you. Because imperfection feels real, and real always feels beautiful. Use your dishes too, even the cheap ones. Because beautiful things are not meant to wait, they are meant to be lived with. And candles, always candles. Because soft light doesn't just change how a space looks, it changes how it feels. Your bedroom should feel like a place you can exhale, and the easiest way to transform it, your bed. Layer it, white linen, a quilt, a soft throw, pillows that don't match perfectly. It takes minutes, but it changes everything. And one thing people forget, scent, because scent is invisible, but it shapes the entire mood of the space. The kitchen is where beauty meets everyday life, and this is where small details matter most. Because the things you use every day should also be beautiful. Hang your mugs, display your wooden tools, keep herbs where the light hits them. It does not cost more, it just changes how the space feels. Suddenly, it's not just functional, it becomes a place you actually enjoy being in. And don't overlook the windowsill. Sometimes the smallest corner catch the most beautiful light. So what's the real secret? It's layer of small, intentional choice. Living things, natural texture, warm, gentle light, pieces with story. You can't buy that all at once. But over time you create a home that feels warm. Real, alive, yours.